Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. For all trade, we use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trades. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW traders. Let's get started. The title of this video is Day Trading Like a Wall Street Warriors. Trade like warriors. Let's get started. Today is the 30th of September 2013, and the time in London is 33 minutes past 3, in New York 33 minutes past 10. It's now an hour since New York is open. All right, what's happening here? We have sold the Euro USD at 135.40 as soon as this common sense trend line is broken. Why? Very good question. Talking about day trading like a Wall Street traders, we want to understand a few factors. The first factor is what? Okay, the mind game. Trading is a mind game. Do not forget that it's a mind game. When one trader is buying, another trader may be selling. All right, there are different trading strategy and method be used in the market, and there are a lot of mind game in the market. All right, so there is a mind game. So we do not want to forget the mind game if we want to talk about, okay, day trading like Wall Street traders. The next thing that we want to remember is also a valid trading method. Do not go up and down. Do not guess the price. Do not just come into the market anyhow. Have, okay, a valid trading method. The third thing that we do not want to forget is the money management. We need money. We must have money in order to trade. Very important. So we don't want to waste our money. We want to manage it carefully using the 5% money management rules. This is very, very important. So the mind game, all right, the trading methods, all right, and the money management, all right. So we saw the euro at 135.40, okay, and it's working nicely now. Why are we selling? Because this level here, the red line here, is a level of 135.00, a very important level. Very important level from the higher time frame. You can see that the price ran away from it very fast. Okay, what is the price doing all the time? After the price breaks above, a very important, okay, key level, there is a high chance that the price may try to retest that very important level. It doesn't mean that there is a certainty. It's no guarantee that the price will definitely retest it, but 8 out of 10 of the time, the price will try to retest that level. That's why, after going very fast, like, okay, running away from the sellers, or because people were selling here, price ran away, these people were taken out, price suddenly breaks, okay, the common sense trend line. So we sold it at 135.30, stop loss 15 pips, 15. So it's not too much risk that we are taking. We are taking into consider the risk-reward ratio. So 135. Okay, 40, you know, we are now very nicely at 135.25, okay, so it went nicely down, okay, but our ultimate target is this level here, all right, 135.00, giving us nicely 40 pip, okay, profit, but nothing can stop us to take our profit here if we see the price start going back up a bit, okay, so you see this, there's another level here. That's why some traders are careful here. They are taking profit, you see. I'm now on the 10-minute chart, as you can see. All right? They are taking a bit of profit because of this level here. Now, what's the plan? Okay, I may decide to close the trend, all right, when they start bringing it back up to take what I got, or I may decide to remain in the trend. But I don't know. I'm not going to be stubborn to wait until it touches the 135.00. Why? Because very often, above a very important price level, there are other group of traders. This is the mind game, all right? We try to understand what they try to do. 10 people be above the key level, which is 135, okay, 10. There are another group of traders right here. I'll color the line in green, You understand the mind game now? All right? They will try to buy because they try to buy 5 people above or 10 people above a key level, hiding their stop loss behind the key level. I'm aware of those traders also. So if the price comes down to 13510, all right, around that zone, I may take my profit and wait again. I may miss another opportunity, which means the price may go down more. Well, I did not lose. That's the most important thing. But I'm aware of these traders. So as the price coming down, another group of traders will try to buy 10 people above the key level. So that's my plan. My plan is that, okay, if you come near the 13510, which is 10 people above the key level, I'm going to decide to take my profit and watch it again. All right. But the common sense is broken. The price is going back up. You can see now it's going to 13529. I can close this trade and walk away. All right. I may decide to take my profit now. All right. I may decide to stay in the trade. All right. Or I may leave the trade there until they take me out altogether. This is about day trading like Wall Street traders. Talking about day trading like Wall Street traders, there is another currency pair that I want to show traders very fast. Okay, the dollar yen. Okay, what's happening to the dollar yen, ladies and gentlemen? The short-term equilibrium price level for the dollar yen, as I told trader, is at 9832. All right, the market was busy selling the dollar, gap down, blah blah blah. They were selling like a mad dog. Everybody want to sell the dollar. But in our view, all right, we will prefer, we know that the dollar is now in the second area wave, should go down more, but we will prefer it to go back up a bit, up to the zone of 9950. That would be nice for us, 9950, somewhere here, before we look again for opportunity to sell. As I told trader, if you are selling like this, be careful, all right? Be careful, all right? So, we are also buying the dollar. In fact, I took some profit already now because why? If we go now to the, all right, Google, all right, going to www.google.com, we're going to bring on a Forex Factory. We want to check the economy news at the beginning of the week, all right? We know tonight, okay, there will be some important news relating to Japan. So we are talking about the dollar yen, comparing the US dollar to the Japanese yen. These important news are due tonight, all right? So those who are selling the dollar yen, if they are already in profit, they will be very careful, yes or no, all right? So you were selling the dollar, a dollar was going down, all right? Now you know that tonight, all right, there are at least three major economy news concerning the dollar. So you will be securing your gain, or maybe even take your profit and wait until the news is released before looking again for opportunity to sell, yes or no. All right, this is going to the mind of other traders. So with that information, all right, with this kind of mind game exercise, we decided to buy the dollar yen. Though we know that the dollar yen is second wave, this is a very, very risky trade, which I told trader already. I want to show you now Forex Factory. All right, make it your friend. This website beautiful, all right? Okay. So what are we doing now, ladies and gentlemen? Let's move on. Waiting for this page to open. I want to show you very fast. This is Forex Factory. You may say to me, George, I don't trade currency. I encourage you, okay, to go to Forex Factory to check the economy news. All right. All right. So the stocks, American stock, are listed in dollar. All right. So you are trading currency if you are trading stock indirectly. So tonight you see here, they are all here. Japanese. Can you see on your chart? Okay. Can you see it? Okay. Japanese here. JPY, 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 JPY. For you. Okay. All right. Household spending. All right. Unemployment rate. Japan. Okay. Tanka manufacturing index, Tanka non-manufacturing index, for economy news relating to Japan. That's why we are talking about the mind game, day trading, like Wall Street warriors. You want to use the mind game, use your trading methods, all right? Very, very important. And the money management. Some traders, their main problems they can trade. Their main problem is money management. Some traders, their main problem, they do not have a valid trading method, or they are changing trading method day in, day out. They don't master one trading system, one trading method. They are going all over the place. They try this today, they try another one tomorrow, and they just going all over the place. If you're a new trader, this is normal. You go through that stage, that's okay. And there's another group of traders. Their main problem is the mind game. They don't understand that it's a mind game. They don't pay attention to the economy news. They don't pay attention to the gap period. They don't respect the opening bell. They don't pay attention to other traders. And they enter the trading house. So they get into trouble. Let's go back again to the Euro USD currency pair. Now this is the dollar yen. As you can see, it start rolling up. Okay. We bought it, in fact, very low. I took some profit now, very nice profit. So I still have one trade open here. All right, this is a risky trade, I have to say, because the market want to sell the dollar because the fiscal issue in the United States. So, but as I show you now, if you were selling the dollar yen, okay, up to now, I explained to you, and these major economy you are doing Japan, you have to be very careful, yes or no. You will. All right, you will. If you are already in profit, you will be. Or at least you will secure your gains. So they're not going to sell like a mad traders, all right, so to speak. All right, they will be very careful now. That's why we are looking for opportunity to take advantage of that. Okay. I'll go back again now to the Euro USD. The Euro USD has also benefited. This is the mind game again. Money coming out of the dollar, going into the euro because of the fiscal issue, the uncertainty, and the fear. Traders or investors are pulling money out of the dollar into the euro. All right, that's happening now. That's what's happening. What's happening now? But tomorrow is a very important day for the American fiscal discussions. So there's another pressure on those market participants that are also pumping money into the euro. All right. So this is about day trading like a Wall Street warriors. We want to pay attention to the money management, stick to the 5% money management rules. Use the mind game, this kind of exercise, common sense exercise. All right, this is critical, and also have at least a simple trading method that you like, that you are comfortable with, that you understand, that you master, and work on it until you become expert in it, instead of going all over the place, buying all sorts of trading system in the whole world. That's not the right way forward. Bringing back again the Euro USD. As you can see, it's going back up. What is stopping me? You see, I was in profit all the way up here, and now they're bringing it back up here. Okay, so I may decide to move my stop loss to break even, or I may decide to stay in the trade. I don't want to close it. I prefer they take me out, which is completely crazy, but that's my decision. You see. All right. What I'm going to do now, because the time for day trading exercise like this, it may take the price some time before we may see everything. So I put some line here like this, and from that point I'm just going to walk away from my computer now because I have other things to do here, and I'll put a vertical line there to show you where we are, where I'm stopping now. But I'm not going to pause the video. I'll let it run. All right, and you may sit here. You may not hear my voice now because I'm just going to walk away from the computer because I'm going to do something else, switching time frame to the 1 minute time, and I'm just going to go away from it. Okay, remember our stop loss is here. All right, and just sit and watch it, and I will come back to it later on. So you may not hear my voice from now on. I'm not in front of my computer. I'm going to do something now, but I'll let the video run, and you may just sit and watch the price and see what's going on. And I will come back to it before I close the video. So I'll speak to you very soon. Okay, traders, here I am again. Okay, so what has happened so far? You can see that after being a bit greedy so far, all right, see, went down, boom, 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 boom. I could have taken my profit here, but I was stubborn. All right, now you see it. Okay, it's my decision to be stubborn here, and they bring it up near my stop loss. All right, and now they're bringing it back down again. I want to take my profit here, all right, 10 pip, okay, before, okay, the key level of 13500. Now you can see that there is a risk in this kind of trading method, all right, because the golden rules, we don't want a winning trade to become a losing trade. But for educational purposes, okay, we are doing this so you may see, okay, what's going through the mind of a trader, the mind game, and what we are trying to do, all right? I think I've said enough, okay? So the first thing that we want to remember, okay, when we are trading, all right, is very important, the mind game. There's a mind game going on, which I'll show you now. Economy news are released, okay? Traders are afraid, all right? There is uncertainty, and traders, okay, are making decisions. They will close some trade, they will move their stop loss, they may adjust their portfolio, a market is open, major economy news is due in 2 days, on 3 days. All these, okay, are playing on the mind of traders. But apart from the Euro USD, as I show you, I will also show you the USD Yen. The USD Yen, as I show you, the mind game is working perfectly because of these economy news. A lot of traders that were selling the dollar, you can see now, okay, it's going up big time, okay? It's going up big time, all right? But I took some profit earlier, which means I could stay in this trade longer and earn more. But I came out earlier because I have 3 positions open, so I closed 2 at least. So you see, now this one is working nicely, going up. Dollar today went down to 9750, you see, and I bought it somewhere here, and now it's now 9818. The equilibrium price level is the green line here at 9832. So we will see what's going to happen here, all right, around the 9832, all right. But in our view, this currency pair, if the market allows it, shouldn't go up to the 9950 zone. That would be a better place, but we can't force it, all right? We can't force it. The market is very bullish towards the euro because there is a lot of doubt, there are a lot of uncertainty regarding the dollar. So money is coming out of the dollar into the euro big time, and it's giving the euro a bit of boost, and that's why it's taking too long for the euro to come down now. I will stop the video here, but before I close this video, I'll go back again to the 10-minute chart, okay? Because I will continue this video later on, maybe later on, all right? If I don't, okay, don't worry. So it will be another day. So we sold it here, so that's where I will come back to. You see now the time in London. Okay, let's bring the time back again. It's now 7 minutes past 4 p.m. in London. In New York, 7 minutes past 11. What's going through the mind of traders, okay? So in exactly an hour time, London will be closed. So traders that are trading in London must manage their portfolio, preparing themselves to close their trade, manage their portfolio, blah, 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 for tomorrow. Traders that are in United States are aware of that. So you will see when New York is open, the first 30 minutes, professional waiting, all right? And then exactly at 10 a.m. Eastern time, that's 3 p.m. London time, they will come into the market. They will trade for an hour, okay? An hour, which is now, so from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern time, which is 4 from 3 p.m. in London till 4 p.m. in London. This is the best time to day trade if you are trading the New York session. Now we are coming to what I call the gap period, because exactly in an hour time London will be closed. This may affect the price one way or another. So you see now, all right, the mind game, all right, the trading method is very important. What I've done to them is just very simple trading strategy. Price breaks above a very important key level, there's a high chance that the price may try to retest that level. That's it. That's my method today. Simple, very simple. But I don't want to just force it. I use the common sense trend line. Here it's broken. Using a tiny stop loss because it's a bit risky. In fact, it looks like I'm forcing it, but at least the trend line is broken, and I just place my stop loss somewhere above it. Okay? If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, all right, we'll look for another opportunity. Very simple. Okay? So the mind game, the trading method, now the money management. 5% money management rules. It's very easy. Anybody can apply that rules and to manage your portfolio. If you do not like it, come out, go back to the blackboard, practice, 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 all right? If currency is not for you, trade stock. If stock are not good for you, trade commodity. If day trading is not for you, maybe you may try swing trading, position trading. If that's too much for you, you may decide to open a real portfolio, buy and hold, all right? Paying attention to the fundamental. I hope you have learned something from this video and will put it to use, okay, to make excellent day trading decision. This is about day trading like a Wall Street warriors. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.